As a customer, discounts and sales are big factors to consider buying an item. Knowing the Japanese terms could come in handy. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will teach you some of the common terms and sentences which are used to indicate some discounts and sale items. Let's start. それでは始めましょう。Sale, which is セール in Japanese, and bargain, which is bargain, are price reductions which are usually expressed in percentage or wari here in Japan. The term waribiki is used for discounts. At the food section in a supermarket, you can find either a yellow or a red tag which indicates that the said food is on sale. The sale will usually start at 7 or 8 p.m. here in Japan. Supermarkets do this to ensure the food which they offer will be sold out while it is in its good state. Japan is very particular in providing fresh and quality food for its consumers. Practically, when you're living alone, this tip could help you get through your day for a lower budget. Here are the sentences and phrases related to discounts and sales which you might encounter during your stay here in Japan. お買い得です。This means it's a bargain. 安くなっております。This means the price was reduced. 半額です。This means it's half the price. I hope you have learned something new today and have a happy shopping next time. For now, here's a summary of the things that we have talked about today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。